How can you make a conscious income online? How can you create uncapped income and impact online? Welcome, you are here for a reason, and you are here to watch a quick video on all the information you need to know about the 3-day Fast Track to Freedom Mastermind. In this video, I'm going to answer 5 questions. When is it? What problems are you having currently, and why do you need to join? Who is it for? What will unfold and what will you expect? And how do you register? Before we start, here's a quick introduction to who I am if you're new to my channel. Welcome, my name is Tiffany and I am living here currently in Uluwatu in Bali, Indonesia. I am super active, I practice yoga every day and I surf every day. And when I'm not in the water, you can find me running my online business from my laptop and my phone. I live an ethical and conscious life by choosing to eat a whole foods, plant-based lifestyle, and I also promote and support sustainability. Let's get straight into the video and stick around till the end because there is a bonus. Let's start with the first question. When is it? This live mastermind will be happening from 10 till 11 a.m. AEST, Australian Eastern Standard Time, September 20th till the 22nd. It's also going to be 5 till 6 p.m. PDT in the US on the 19th to the 21st September. Each session will be for 60 minutes. What is your problem and why do you need to join? Now more than ever in these funky current climates, people are looking for ways to find more security with their income and spend more quality time with their family, friends, and doing the things that they love, as well as investing in their health and wellness. Society teaches us the system of working minimum 40-hour weeks, taking maybe only 1 to 2 days off a week, and then by the time you're 65, you can finally enjoy your life. Traditional businesses will have you paying tens of thousands of dollars only to see the return after 3 to 5 years. Not to mention the stress and the overheads that come with that path. Now more than ever, we know people are seeking the answers on how to become financially independent. If the state of our world has shown us anything, it is that the industries and jobs that we used to have that we thought were secure, it just simply isn't like that anymore. It's also taught us the importance of diversifying our earning potential so that we can really ensure to have a recession-proof income. How much longer can small businesses and employees losing weeks of profit and wages and still trying to get ahead? This global situation has highlighted the need for us to empower ourselves, right? We cannot rely on anyone else. We must understand that the skill sets, business models, and tools to set us up for success for the long term. Having an online income that doesn't get shut down on somebody else's whim is so important in today's economic climate. My friends, we are in the digital era. Half the world's population is online using their mobile devices or computers to access the internet. We are in the creator economy. Born are the content entrepreneurs. Who is this mastermind for? Maybe you are a traditional business owner who desires multiple streams of income and time leverage. Or maybe you are a traditional network marketer who is wanting to escape the hustle of a low ticket item and selling all the time to just friends and family. You're a total newbie to the online space and want to learn how to create a high profit, high impact freedom business. You're a coach or consultant sick of being on the launch hamster wheel, forever on sales calls and seeking a more automated business. Or maybe you're a mama who wants to step into her power and create financial independence without sacrificing time with your children. Really, this is for anybody who wants to make money online. This is for anyone who wants to work for themselves and not for anybody else. This is for people who want to pay off debt, bills, your mortgage. This is people who need money for when it is easier and safely and more in flow to travel, that we will have that money to be able to do so. This is also for people who are looking for the next big thing. This is for people who are looking for a fresh start. This is for people who are interested in creating their dream life. This is also for people who are wanting to live their life, doing the things that they love and being able to create an income from that. This is also maybe for people who are seeking community and connection. What will unfold in the mastermind and what will you expect? Being financially empowered means being equipped with the skills and mindset to create an income in any circumstance. So get ready to receive your roadmap to financial time and location freedom. What you'll learn from some of the top experts, entrepreneurs, and multiple 6- and 7-figure online mentors in this mastermind, this free mastermind, is how to truly express yourself and unleash your inner voice through your personal brand online, how to achieve time freedom so you can do more of what you love and be present in your life, how to create true freedom of finances and choices so you can leverage the power of money to support your lifestyle. Expect to receive the support so that you can create an epic relationship with money. Expect to get laser lucid clear and quantum leap into what you desire in the next 90 days. Expect to have clarity on how to have a recession-proof income and what business models and industries are thriving. The last question is very easy, is how do you register? You can follow me on any of my socials and send me a message there. Or you can leave a comment below and send me a message and I can send you the link. To register, it is very easy. I will send you the link. You click on the link, it'll send you to a landing page. You can read further the outline of the 3 days. Then there will be another button which you click, you'll enter your email, and then you will register. It will also ask you to join the Facebook group. You just click again. Currently, at the time of filming this video, we are at 500 people in the group who are registered, and there is still 7 days out till the live event starts. So spots are limited. Send me a message and I will send you the link. Replays are available. If you are unable to attend the live sessions, you will be able to get access to those replays after you have registered. I said that there was going to be a bonus for you if you stick around till the end of the video, and that is mentorships are being offered to those fast action takers who sign up and get started with the business model that we are discussing. Just to keep in mind, mentorships, you can expect to pay anywhere from 5 to 10 to 15, all the way up to 30,000 US dollars and beyond for mentorship programs. So through this community, we are offering mentorships for those who are fast action takers. Here's to moving into the last few months of the year with a powerful vision, more purpose, and with security. Freedom can mean so many different things to different people. The only person that can give us true freedom is ourselves. The only person who can define freedom for ourselves is us. Thank you so much for watching the video. I do hope that you get in touch with me right now so that I can send you the link to register. See you in the mastermind.